Hey everyone, here's another review of the sentence from Swiffer, the Swiffer wetjet sentence. This one is Dawn Fresh Scent, the standard Dawn dish detergent in there. This one's not really a scent. I mean, it has Dawn scent, but the other is like Febreze lavender like scented. This is more of like your wetjet solution with the power of Dawn Fresh Scent, which is probably just like original like Dawn dishwashing detergent, add in, and now this stuff is more effective. It's more effective than like the regular, because you have like the regular wetjet solution, then you have like the Dawn dishwashing liquid, and that's not. I mean, it's not the best dishwashing liquid, but it's pretty standard, like typical dishwashing liquid, but it works. Unless you have something like really stuck on there, like your standard Dawn works well. If you want like a cheap dishwashing solution, you can't afford like the high quality dishwashing solutions with like natural ingredients or like really strong that work. Or, like really strong. It's a good standard solution, and this works. I like it. It seems like you still have to use a little bit. You don't have to use quite as much because it's a little bit more stronger. It's not as concentrated. It's the Febreze. Because the Febreze is just as liquid. This is like the liquid stuff. This is like a little bit stronger with Dawn and dish detergent, and I like it. It actually works pretty solidly, and I like it. You just don't want to do it like maybe once a month or once every. Say you only wash your floors, like mop your floors, like anything like you feel like wood in like or like tile or anywhere in your house has wood or like tile or something like that. You'd want to mop like maybe like once a week. I would say you can't go get by with doing it like once a month or like you know you probably can't get by with doing it like that short time. But if you do it like maybe once a week and stuff like that, you keep up with it. Maybe do like once a week, say on like Sundays. You do it like once a week. You do it every Sunday morning. You do it. Throughout the week. Like if you do like that, you should have no problems. With the Dawn, using the Dawn or stuff. You just can't go by. I mean, it doesn't matter what kind of scent you use or what type you use. You still don't want to, but I mean, if you go by, maybe if you use like this stuff, you'll be able to get by with like a week and a half, 2 weeks. If you're say gone on vacation, so you're gone on vacation for like a week, then like like week, and you maybe do a little bit of cleaning like a little bit beforehand, maybe, and then you get back to it. I'll do it when I get back. Rest of the stuff when I get back. Maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks. See, yeah, then it's not so bad, And it might, even though this stuff might, hold up with that, but I won't. But but if you're at home, like regularly, in your routine, I would probably do it once a week, whatever day you do it, like say Sundays. And I would do it that way, and it works. I like it. It does work, and I do like it. It's not very scented, but it does clean your floors as well, and I like it. I just want if you have it, don't obviously get the solution like on you. You don't like bare feet. Like like maybe wear like a pair of socks or something that you don't mind if you can get wet. Or something you can clean it. You can wash it like right away. Stuff like that. Stuff like that, because I like it though. It does work perfectly well, and I think it's better. It's not like as like it's not scented like the Febreze one was it, but it works. It works though. But thinking it's not as concentrated. It's more solution because it has the Dawn mixed with the Swiffer stuff, and it's like like kind of like time and a half, maybe 2 times. And I like that, it's not as like concentrated with like the water. It's more it's more like more like the cleaning solution. I like that. It seems like there's more. And there might be the same, but it seems like it works better. Regardless. I have to give that like a 9.5 out of 10 in terms of like clean. But it's like scent value. Yeah, I give like a 5 out of 10, like the other one. So I give this one like a 7.5 out of 10, just because of the fact it's not scented, but over combined. But in terms of like cleaning power, it's like really good.